for the strongest lungs, we have baby Jen.
These little champs couldn't make it to the Olympic Games in South Korea, but the staff in the maternity ward of a Pittsburgh hospital thinks they deserve to be recognized.
And for sweetest cheeks, we have baby Taylor, the best napper, and this is going to baby Tommy.
One of the nurses knitted wool caps for the newborns in red, white, and blue, which perfectly matched their patriotic swaddling blankets. It was all a show of solidarity with Team USA as they go for the gold.
We thought that this would be a great time as our athletes are traveling around the world in competition, that we could maybe celebrate some of our champions here at home as well.
And these little Olympians have already medaled in capturing our hearts. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.